Good morning and happy Thursday. How is everyone doing today? I'm feeling great, ready to go. I've got a grease stain on my shirt so it won't come out. That is, I would say that's the life of having kids. However, it was my fault. I bit into a juicy burger and it went on my brand new shirt. All right, so what are we looking at today? Honestly, I am looking at the draw, which is these equal lows from Friday. I don't know if we'll hit them. However, we don't have many roadblocks in the way. We have this big 15-minute here. We actually have a low inside that 15-minute. Did we hit that? Okay, that's what we hit yesterday. So this target essentially is protected, so we could just pump. I was looking at this 15-minute inversion. It looked really good. We had a bunch of spoofing here, which was pushing up price, and then the orders left and we all came down. So really, I'm not sure if we're going to go up or we're going to go down. I would ideally like to take one micro here just to see. Actually, let's give it a go. Oh, I got to figure this out. I messed it up yesterday. I couldn't... what's our risk? $100. What's our target? Here? All right, let's buy one micro.
Order filled.
And we're gonna take it up to here. Oh, to here. Yeah, so we're going to here. So the 15-minute held, we had a really strong candle. We came all back down. Came all back down. But the delta's looking, well, the delta was looking pretty good. So we'll just monitor this. We'll watch it on the lower time frame. It's just one micro, so the power, we kind of lost power here. Let's see if we inverse this one. We have this 5-minute here too. 3-minute, 2-minute. This looks amazing though. That's pretty light bulb. So is this. What did we sweep though? We didn't really sweep anything, so I'd say this is more of an A setup. However, if you're looking off of this, so the original inversion, then it was A plus because we hit this low inside this this 15-minute. It's a low inside an hourly too. So we'll just keep an eye on this. The risk is very small. We did just inverse the 1-minute, not the 2-minute yet. And not the 3-minute yet, so. Where's our entry? 991 here. Oh, 991 here. Okay, so this is our entry. And we'll just see.
68 Charno Lepi TDS at Alex TWB is awesome.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So what I'm looking at right now is we have this 1 hour here and we have this 1 hour here. So we kind of just tapped into it, and that's why we pushed down.
My name is Jeff.
But yeah, those are my conditions for today. So we close below this 1 hour. I imagine that we are going to come down to this. Kind of hard though, because this is a protected low. However, we'll see what happens at market open. We talked about protected lows yesterday, but what a protected low is that when you have a low inside of fair value gap that's been swept, then this is a much harder target to come back for. However, volatility at market open could just pump us or dump us, so we'll see. We have no news until tomorrow. Oh, look, okay, so now we have support coming back. Now we have that support coming back, so. And honestly, pre-market, not too into pre-market trades, so size is just 1 micro. We do really look like we're losing steam here. However, this reaction was so strong, and this reaction was also so strong, so the market's giving us an opportunity to get in, and I'm gonna take it. So like I said, our target is 0.68, which I'm seeing are equal highs on the 15-minute, so we can look at them here. Oh, actually they're not even equal. They're equal on MNQ. Oh, maybe they are. Let me just get a little closer of a look there. Oh, so close. Not equal, but close. So this really will be my target. Break-even point. I'm gonna look to go break-even. I'll use time for break-even. And right now, actually, ES is hitting VWAP, so that might also be a good time, but we'll wait. Because NQ's got VWAP here too. However, this support that's coming in on Bookmap kind of gives me a little more conviction not to go break even just yet. We're not that far. We're like 40 ticks in profit, so we could do a break even somewhere around here. Let's try that. So I would say that if we close above this 5-minute, we've got 40 seconds on that. If we close above this 5, then that'll give us good confirmation to keep going up. Ideally, as iFVG's close, I do like to add. However, pre-market, we'll just keep it. So we're coming up to that mark. About 7 seconds here, and we'll see what this 5-minute candle does. Oh, okay. So thank you. We had just closed above. Oh, yeah, we just closed above. So
stop NQ buy.
Now would be a good time to add if we're gonna add. Should we add one? See, I'll go over it again. So price came down, it swept this in the 15-minute and the 1 hour. I saw this candle as I was preparing, but I don't like to get in so high. As I left my computer and came back, I saw this candle had formed, and we had held that iFVG, and then I also noticed the support here, so I decided that it would be a good trade to take. As we get closer to market open, I likely will go break even. We've only got about we've only got 1 micro in this, so our risk is pretty small. But now we've closed above that 5, so I do imagine here we will go up. And if we don't hit the break even before market open, or these disappear, the spoofing disappears, then I will go break even. But now that that spoofing's disappeared, I'm seeing more coming in. So more support. In terms of higher levels, I'm not seeing much. 25,150 and then 24,8. So let's see that 24,8. Okay, that's our previous day low. And that's on NQ. So let's look at ES. We mostly have heat to the above. So 6740, which is here. We're seeing clusters of heat. So now we are about 60 ticks in profit, and my bladder is filling up. All right, you guys listen to these
Stop
noises.
NQ sell.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers. Stop NQ buy.
All right, we are still going. We are about 100 ticks in profit now. Oh, so close to that break even. So this is one of the reasons why I love Bookmap. A lot of people that trade ICT talk about how you don't need Bookmap. However, with how uncertain the market is, it's always good to have as many extra confluences as possible. Just quickly check my phone. All right, not yet. Oh, okay, but market open. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go break even, because now it's market open. So our break even is 992.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers. Stop ES
Okay,
buy.
our break even's here. So we're gonna break even this.
iceberg ES buy.
Just to keep us safe, let's see, where'd those orders go? Okay, those orders are still here, so
Absorption NQ sellers. Iceberg NQ buy.
let's just watch. We're hitting another 15-minute,
Stop ES sell.
and we're rejecting the 5. I would say if any time we're just gonna blast through, if we're gonna blast through a fair value gap, it is going to be at market open. So we're not doing that right now, but I'm just gonna be a little patient. Okay, it's coming back. We know that VWAP is a strong
Stop
level.
NQ sell. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
And yesterday our trade, we, you know, we should have held it at that swing high. It's all come back on us now. It could all just come back down really quick. It's coming. We're still in. We're still in. Now it's retesting the 5 minute.
Stop NQ sell.
Yeah, we retested that 5 minute.
Sweep NQ
Just
sellers.
barely.
Absorption NQ buyers. Sweep NQ buyers. Stop NQ buy.
Come on, run me. So sitting around
Sweep NQ sellers.
140 ticks in profit now. What is this? 615 pre-market.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ sell.
So that 515 that's holding us up is still still holding
Stop NQ sell.
pretty good. I'm seeing NQ, I'm hearing NQ sell, but it's not appearing either on the delta. It's not really showing up on the delta, so we're just gonna hold our position here. It's risk-free. We can all dance to this song. It's a pretty fire song. Okay, but the fact that we're really struggling here is making me think that if we were bullish, if we were truly bullish, would we be stalling here, especially at market open? I would say no. So, yeah, my, oh, we look, spoofing here, 45. Oh, okay. Oh, ES took that high. Damn it, I should have been watching. ES took the high. Okay, so we really could reverse here. ES already hit our target.
Stop ES buy. Sweep NQ buyers.
And now ES has orders.
Stop NQ buy.
Orders above price. Oh, we just took it. ES is going for that London high. Didn't mark it out. This SMT could tell us that we're gonna just dump.
Sweep ES sellers.
Not really seeing sell volume.
Sweep NQ buyers.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing sell volume. Just a little bit. Oh, we got more orders stacking there. Three equal highs here. $745. 745. So those orders are back. Let's just wait.
Stop NQ buy.
Okay, the delta minus 148, minus 222, plus 300. So 62 orders coming in at 6. Okay, so it's right where our TP is. and then down to 100.
Stop NQ cell.
Okay, it's coming. It's so close.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers.
It didn't hit it yet. Oh, maybe it's hitting it now. I know you guys can't see my screen, but I've got it here. I got the MNQ.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, so we're up 146 on the day. Beautiful. That was easy. That was actually a nice 300 tick move. So now what we can do is we can watch. So we have this 1 hour here that closes in 23 minutes. So we'll see. ES already hit that target, so now we're looking for that London high.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ sell. Sweep NQ sellers. Absorption NQ buyers.
So we still have another like really tiny 1 hour here. Just super tiny.
Stop NQ buy.
One big boner candle. Okay, ES is going up to that London high now, so we'll just wait. We also have one more. Oh, we have a high inside of fair value gap here.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep ES buyers.
Tiny 15-minute with a high here.
Sweep NQ buyers. Absorption NQ sellers.
So we'll be
Sweep NQ
mindful
buyers.
of that. So yeah, really what we were kind of holding was this 5-minute BPR. No, we closed below it. I don't know if we'll
Stop
be long
NQ
all
sell.
day. So it's taken 407 high. We still got a 3 a.m. high.
Stop NQ buy.
Oh, it looks like looks like reliable. Oh, Reliable took our trade to our target. Good job. If you don't know who Reliable is, he's the other trader in Dodgy's dungeon. He does PM session. So essentially now we've made our money. We can log out for the day, but let's just wait. Let's just see. So we're looking at this 5 minute here. We also have a volume imbalance.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Now we have big orders coming in above price on ES. 52, right at that London high level. So we might see some type of confirmation setup back to there. I don't imagine.
Stop and Q sell.
We'd come and
Stop and Q sell.
just leave
Stop
that.
and Q sell. Sweep and Q sellers.
So I'm hearing, I'm hearing sweep NQ seller, stop NQ sell, which means that stop orders are being hit. Minus 254, minus 168. But nothing on ES, so ES is pretty neutral there. So what I think we'll do is we will wait until that London high gets hit. So yeah, rejecting this last 5 minute in the leg. We have a tiny 5 minute here with another high. So 100 here, that's on NQ. 808 orders, 818.
Stop and Q buy.
There we go.
Stop and Q buy.
Oh, so really nice delta. 39.
Sweep and Q buyers.
Okay, so a red candle on ES had 506 buyers. 506 buyers that outweighed the
Stop
sellers.
and Q sell.
So we actually might get a reversal here,
Stop ES buy.
but we'll wait to see what price tells us.
Stop and Q buy. Sweep ES buyers. Stop and Q buy.
Did we look at that? Did we look at the risk to reward on that?
Stop and Q buy.
Okay, not bad. 4R. Whoa. 1758 buyers. And those candles are just crazy. So we're coming into that 4 hour,
Stop ES buy. Sweep and Q buyers.
which we already
Stop and Q buy.
came into a couple times last night. So we'll see what happens at this London high.
Sweep and Q sellers.
So 150, 150 here. It's a little higher than the CE. I would
Sweep
say
and
the
Q
CE is
sellers.
about right here of that.
Sweep and Q buyers.
But if you want to take a short, then a manipulation candle like this, and then the inverse of that is very good, very high probability. So yeah, that obvious high inside that 5,
Stop NQ cell.
inside the 3, inside the 2. Alright, but we really need to see some type of smart money reversal here, and otherwise it could just be a bit of a fake out.
Stop ES cell.
Because now that we're away from all-time highs, then those short reversals are good probability. Okay, 6, 7, 60. We barely touched, we didn't touch it. 6, 7, 60. You could take a long here to London high. Couple of seconds.
Order filled.
Where's London high? 128.
Sweep NQ buyers. Absorption NQ sellers. Absorption NQ
Oh,
sellers.
it's so tiny.
Absorption NQ sellers. Sweep NQ buyers. Stop NQ buy.
Uh-oh. Okay, it's coming back to retest that 30-second now. I'm watching. If we, this is about a 1-to-1. It's not that.
Order filled.
Alright, I exited it. Oh, just as we pump. Alright, there. We would have hit that. Good job. $6. Would have been 20.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep ES buyers.
So now NQ is hitting that, now NQ hit London high. We have this 5150 here. Nice confirmation setup. Very lovely on the 30-second. So we have about 10 minutes until that 4-hour closes. We'll really just see what we're gonna do. I shouldn't have sold too soon.
Sweep NQ sellers.
Six, 7, 6, 5. What's here?
Stop NQ sell.
Not much above. Okay, so now we can delete our levels. And what we're basically waiting for now is the 4-hour close. ES just looks like it's gonna go. We'll just watch on NQ. About 8 minutes for that. So we don't really have much on the 1 hour.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Another high inside of fair value gap here. So we got this 15-minute here. So the 1 hour and the 4 hour will close at the same time, but that 1 hour has been blasted. I would say we could delete that. Delete that. And now we're just watching. There are two really strong candles though. Does anyone have any questions about bookmap while we're here? We had some like really strong squares to the upside. 48. Yeah, 48 was, this candle was just super strong. 600, and then the next candle was 300. Okay, so this is looking more like a smart money reversal. We're getting closer to what that looks like now. ES is kind of looking better. But like normally we pump, and then we have a couple like neutral candles at the top, and then we just go boom. So we'll see. Delta's pretty fizzled out on NQ for like the last 6 minutes. I haven't seen much.
Stop NQ buy.
This candle here is not bad. It looks like a liquidity pool. So now we're having SMT. NQ is making a higher high while ES is stalling. ES is not making a higher high right now. Where's our first presented fair value gap? Here. 6 minutes in. My eye is twitching. So we can use this if we do go down. So now we're getting heat above.
Stop NQ buy.
Seems to be attracting price on ES. About 4 minutes here, and we'll see if this 4 hour closes. If If the 4-hour closes, I imagine we're going back up to that high. There's not really much in the way. No 1 hours. This 15 here, that's a pretty big obvious one. And this is a good target, I would say. Oh, ES is going down now. Chop. Chop.
Stop NQ sell.
No fair value gap there to inverse. Doesn't look too good on the other time frames. It really only looks good on that 1 minute, so. 2 minutes to the 4-hour closes. So if any candle on the 1 minute closes above this, just ES is looking a little more SMR-y. SMR.
Sweep NQ sellers.
That doesn't look too bad, actually. Minus 142, minus 158. Whoa, yes.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Good.
Sweep NQ sellers.
So in the last 30 minutes, we had no red candles on the 5 minute, no red candles on the 3 minute. Okay, so let's check that 4-hour. So no, we're not closing above. Unless we just blast in the next 1 second. Okay, no. Okay, so a lot of times what happens is when the new candle opens, we like to make a tail. So let's see what price does to this 30-second. Reject. Oh, that's a 1 minute. Whoa, that looks like a nice short. Let's give
Order filled.
1 micro a go. I saw we had a low inside of fair value gap. It's pretty far though. I don't want to get too greedy. We'll just monitor this.
Stop NQ sell.
We'll put our stop at the swing high. So about 61 bucks here.
Stop NQ buy.
But that reaction on the 1 minute looked really nice. So, and ES already, no, did not inverse a 5 yet. So, let's come back on us. I do have a hard stop this time because it wasn't an iFVG trade. Okay, seller's not looking too bad on Bookmap. Just this reaction, very nice.
Stop NQ buy.
67 here.
Stop NQ buy.
Not what we want to hear. Also 10 a.m. reversal, so good confluence there. I'm trying to find a good break-even point. Oh, price has come back. Okay, so we have a 1 minute. If we inverse this 1 minute, then I'll exit before my stop. No. Let's see, my stop's at 182. Let's see what ES is doing. I'm just stuck looking at candles. I shouldn't be looking, I should be looking at Bookmap. Just like I said, this reaction here was just so nice. And if we put our stop at the swing high, we learn a lesson from yesterday. $153, so I'll put my entry. Exits here. Whoa, no, exits here. Oh, no.
Stop NQ buy.
So once it hits our break-even point, I will go break-even. Let's take a look at our other time frame gaps. So, okay. So if we close below the 5 minute, we have a 15 minute down here. I was just targeting a low inside a fair value gap. Okay, there's that break-even point. Just let it get a nice push.
Stop NQ sell.
We'll wait till that candle closes. Because the worst thing is if we get stopped early and then price goes. Let's see that 5 minute. Oh, wait, this candle just started, so. Not really ready to go break even yet. Okay, so now I'm break even. Now we're hitting another 5 minute. But if price really wants to reverse, then we won't come back. But look, this on the 5 minute, this looks like a smart money reversal. So that's usually what you see, is you see big pumps, stalling, and then we come down. So I took a picture. I took a picture of an amazing smart money reversal that I saw.
Sweep NQ buyers.
Oh, I already made it.
Stop NQ buy.
Okay, so now we're tapping into that next 5 minute. This is really where our break-even stop comes into play, because if we're going to reject, it's going to be this second 5 minute here. So we can remove this now, and we can do this. So now we just sit back and watch. So 057 is my take profit. It's a low inside of fair. It's this. But the delta is looking pretty red.
Sweep NQ sellers.
See if ES did anything. No. And then I'm going to check my book map instead of checking my phone. Oh, there, we missed this. So, support to push us down. I do imagine we will go down. What we can do is we can monitor our trades. So 745 on ES. 745 on ES is VWAP. So we'll see what happens on NQ and that's also my target. My target is close to VWAP. Okay. Looking a little more SMR-y. We'll make that our new word. I just tried to add the picture here. It's like, you already have that. Oh, there we go. Image file. Let me find it for us.
Stop NQ sell.
Oh, yeah. You see that? So yeah, you see that? The big up, 1, 2, 3, big down. And then you gotta hold for those for the retracements, because normally we like to retrace. So we're about
Stop NQ sell.
200 ticks in profit now. Let me see. So we're coming down to this next 5 minute. Let's look for the 50% of the range. Okay, so it's right where our TP is. So I'm going to move my TP up just a little bit. We'll make it just before VWAP. So somewhere here. Oh, ES is coming to VWAP now. Oh. Let's see what happens. We have a 1 minute here. Oh, my candles.
Stop and queue buy.
Oh, my candles on the 2 minute. What the fuck? Candles on the 2 minute are fucked up.
Sweep and queue buyers. Stop and queue buy.
So we don't need this anymore. Oh, it's all coming back on us. So what could we look at? We could look at this. Did we hit 50% of the range? Yes. That's annoying. My candles aren't working. Oh, we just inversed this. What do we sweep? Let's check the 5 minute. Okay, we're hitting the 5 minute. Do not sweep much. But this, we just inversed this, so we really could all just come back here. We're having some buyers. ES did not hit VWAP, but ES formed a V-shape. Oh, formed a V-shape recovery too. So this is our break even. 152.
Stop and queue sell.
152. And my candles on MNQ are really fucked up.
iFVG ES sell.
Oh, it's come back. It's come back. About 10 points away.
iFVG ES buy.
About 10 points away from our break even.
Stop and queue sell.
ES didn't inverse the 1 minute. It barely did not. So this is the time to tell, are we going to go up or are we going to go down? All right, this gap here will tell the story. So
Sweep and queue buyers.
Yeah. So 5 seconds. Really stalling. Whoa. I wanted to
Sweep NQ sellers. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
About 10 seconds here on this 1 minute. So this 1 minute here will really tell us if we're going to go up or we're going to go down. So, oh, we did not inverse it. Okay, ES is hitting VWAP now. I don't know what that means for our position. The 2 minute candles on my MNQ are fucked up. But the delta's really red, so we're still holding the 1 minute.
Stop NQ buy.
This could just be manipulation because then we could inverse this to go back up. So, Didn't really sweep anything though. Okay, so that 1 minute
Stop NQ sell.
still held. That 1 minute still held. Yeah, look, it's VWAP. So no adding to our position because it's just not giving us the opportunity. And this also could come back all on us in just a second if this inverses. So I'm not really seeing any liquidity taken. We're still just holding this 5 minute gap. Even here, we didn't sweep this low. We are seeing some resistance, but I would imagine that's just ES hitting VWAP. So let's just watch out. All right, there we go. Come down to our target, which is also VWAP. It's actually a low inside of 3 minutes, so this is my target. But because VWAP is here, I am just going to put it at VWAP. One last gap to inverse.
Absorption NQ buyers. Sweep NQ sellers.
But everything's kind of telling me this is going to go down. I do want to exit right now and just
sell.
take my profits. So I'm going to put my stop in profit for $49. But my take profit is $163. So we still have this 1 minute here that we're holding. It's actually 2 1 minutes.
Stop NQ buy.
It's a 2 minute too.
Stop NQ buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES sell.
I removed my stop in profit.
Stop NQ buy.
So to me, this is the hardest part, which is waiting for your TP to be hit. Honestly, if it all just came in one candle, that would be amazing. But how do we learn? How do we learn patience like that?
Absorption NQ buyers.
Okay, so 0.74 is my take profit. Oh, we came so close. Could just be a retracement. Or right, let's see what this candle does. Uh-oh. If we want to go up, I feel like there's not much stopping us. Oh, 137. We do have support here. We do have support to push us down.
Iceberg NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
Stop NQ buy. Okay, we still have that 1 minute. There's a big 1 minute above this one. So like I said before, this could be some type of manipulation, and then we want to go up. So we do see our position reversing against us. We were so close to our take profit. Oh. All right, this gap is going to tell us the story. Are we going up or are we going down?
Wayfair's big sale is back. From October 26th through 29th, for Wayfair's best
Damn it.
deals. Like up to 80% off area rugs, up to 50% off.
All right, this
mattresses,
could be the
up to
long.
55%.
Shut up. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna close. So yeah, that looks like a long. Oh, we hit this 15. So it's an A setup if you want to go long. But now it's all coming back down. Oh, perfect. Glad we exited. Oh, where'd my stuff go?
Absorption NQ buyers.
All right, so that was the setup to go long. Now we're too late to get in.
Stop NQ buy.
We had a 2 minute, we had a 1 minute.
Stop NQ sell.
Now I'm not too sure about the short. Plus 640, minus 430.
Sweep NQ buyers. Absorption NQ sellers.
Now I've got no idea, so we're just gonna wait. That 2 minute looked nice though. If we were not short, that 2 minute would have been good. It's just an A setup, but as you can see, the A setup is still delivering. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. Wow, that sun is bright. So yeah, like I said, we
Sweep
can
NQ buyers.
look back on
Stop NQ buy.
the
Sweep NQ
15, the
buyers.
5 minute. So we never hit that 50%.
Iceberg NQ sell.
Let me check on ES.
Iceberg NQ sell.
That's what I should have checked. Yeah, okay, so ES really dipped into that 50%. We got another SMT there. So that would have been good. That would have been a great time to sell. So let's just see what happens, because yesterday I took my win and then I logged off at about 10:40. So sorry, I took 2 losses, 1 win, another stab at a long, which was A+. And then I logged off too early because the trade actually did happen. So I'm not going to log off too early today. We're going to wait. So now look, this 1 minute still really holding us.
Stop NQ sell.
Too tiny. None. We're just barcoding on the 5. So ES did a really nice inverse on the 1 minute. Yeah, it looks like this. But there was a 1 minute fair value gap there. We don't have one. We have one here. Volume imbalance. All right, let's just watch. Okay, so we got one set, we got orders here on NQ, but the last time we had those orders, we kind of just came up and took them. So I'm gonna wait.
Stop NQ sell.
Let's see what the 15 minute looks like.
Sweep ES buyers.
So we took out this low inside this 2 minute if we want to go long. However, I say if we're going long, we're going to pump this. We also have to remember that the market doesn't always make crazy moves. Sometimes we just chop, so right now it's kind of showing us that we're gonna chop. What's our risk if we want to get in again? About 80 bucks. Too many wicks to risk. I would say we'd have to inverse all of these. So the good thing right now is that the markets are moving together. Both NQ and ES are moving the same. NQ came up a little higher. ES kind of fizzled out even though ES hit VWAP, so probably believe we're going to get a really big candle down. Okay, 175 here. 1,024 orders. So still rejecting that 1 minute iFVG looks pretty strong. What's that 192 level? Is that the high inside the 15? Yeah, that is.
The underscore bra underscore trade said previous high when?
Still haven't inversed it.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers.
So NQ seems to either have taken it or it's gone. I didn't see that we hit 175. I have it marked right here, 175. We did not hit it. But it's hard to tell if it was just removed. Okay, ES had the orders removed. However, we do look like we're just gonna go short. Okay, perfect. See, now we're blasting through that. Those orders are gone. So let's see. We could go up now.
Stop ES buy.
So we still got the
NQ
macro,
buyers. Stop NQ buy.
and I'm gonna wait for that. Okay, we could have sent an order to here. So major SMT, NQ took the high. ES did not. Delta's pretty neutral. Minus 200 plus 376.
Sweep NQ sellers. Absorption NQ buyers.
So either we're going to go up or we're going to go down. If you want to ask me, I think now we are going to go up.
Stop ES buy.
Okay, going up. I see ES now. Okay, going for the target of 192, that high inside the 15-minute. ES and NQ are moving the same. Okay, gonna check toxic Instagram. Alright, Ryan took the same trade we did pre-market. Good. Good job, guys. We took it, huh? We took the same trade, huh?
Alright, it is currently 11 p.m. right now.
Stop NQ sell.
I already went to bed like an hour ago. This is like the only thing I would have taken. Obviously, it was V-shape, indicator, and yeah, that's literally it. Only thing I would have taken. I would still be targeting all-time highs here. I still think we hit them, and yeah, good luck. Bro, look at this view right now of Japan.
Okay. There's no way we don't hit that. Alright, so this is the boring part of trading. We're just watching. Not much going on. So close to our level here. Hi, good morning. Speaking. What's up? Nothing. Just still trading, almost done. No, not right now. Well, sounds like you do. Oh, December 10th. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Do you want me to make you lunch? Yeah, I'll see what work is like. I haven't even signed in. I've been taking whoa. Taking yeah. Negative.
Stop ESL.
Okay, love you. Okay, so this 2-minute closes here in about 30 seconds. And this is looking nice to go short. If it closes both these 2 minutes, that'd be even better. Okay, 2-minute. $15 seconds. You think it could do it? You think it can close below both?
Sweep and queue buyers.
All right, let's try one more short.
Order filled.
We left liquidity above, so I'm gonna manage this one very closely because this could just be a retracement. Oh, you know what? Maybe that's not a good idea, Samaya. Oh, we could lose here. The 3-minute hasn't closed yet. If that 3-minute doesn't close, then I will immediately exit. 12 seconds. Hand on the close position button. Because we got that other 3-minute there. Okay, the first 3-minute closed. Now that second 3-minute is, there's a 2-minute there too. And those last gaps in the legs are always the most nasty. Whoa! Wow. Okay.
Sweep and queue sellers. Stop and queue sell. Sweep and queue buyers.
Some pretty nice volatility.
Sweep and queue sellers.
However,
Absorption
the
and
wick
queue buyers.
The wick does not look good to me to go down now. Managing this one very closely. This could all just come back on us in 1 second. Yeah, that's gonna go long. That is gonna go long. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it, dang it. See? Manipulation. You see what manipulation does? Wow. What happened? I'm still holding this here. Wow, that is a long, if I ever saw one. Okay, watching on the 2-minute, watching on the 3-minute. We're still in our position right now. And my house is getting hot. I turned on the heat. Yeah, this is all going against us really quick. No. Still in.
Sweep and queue sellers.
Okay, now we took
Stop
that.
and queue buy.
SMT. Let's just see what happens when we take that liquidity. Can't tell if we took it. I think now we just made equal highs. Yeah, we did. So I'm still in my position. I'm just waiting to see what happens when we take this liquidity, because we could just reverse. So I'm just going to hold it just a little bit longer. And if we just blast and go through all our profits, then whatever. 'Tis what it is. Okay, now we've taken it. Now we have taken it. So let's just watch this and see. Okay, getting ready to close my position now.
Order filled.
All right. Now's the macro. So if we're going to do anything, it's going to be now. The 3-minute didn't look bad, but we still just had this one here, so.
iFVG sell.
Lol. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ha 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 ha. Bug and trolled. That V shape was very nice. Not much in terms of R to R if you had taken it. But that manipulation candle and the way it closed was just kind of bug me. All
Order
right.
filled.
Oh, that's not good, Samaya. We're going to target this wick. One more micro. So my original short, my take profit, I believe, was just a little bit too big. Because we had really good profits on that. Let's just wait till this 1 minute closes. Okay, I'm gonna go break even here. Still holding that. We closed below the BPR though. So what's kind of just holding price up now is this 3 2-minute here. So this is what I'm in. It's at break even now. 80. 80. And ooh. Take profit. This really has to close below though, or else we're just gonna keep coming up like that 1 minute. So this looks pretty strong. This 3 2-minute here, it's not a 5 minute. No. And we don't have any 5 minutes until we get down to here. Okay. Oh, no. This closes in 2 minutes. About 1 minute. And I've got to go to work. Okay, 1 more minute till this closes. Oh, did not. Okay, 1 more minute till this 3 minute closes. And if this 3 minutes still holds, I'm going to immediately exit. 40 seconds. Okay, 12 seconds until this 3 minute closes, or not. See what ES looks like on the 5 minute. Nothing on the 5, the 3 closed on both. We have a volume imbalance now, which the market likes to come back for. No 2s. We got this big one down here. All right, I do gotta log off now. Oh my god. No, the market does not want
Stop
to go short.
NQ buy.
Delta's mostly
Stop
granite.
NQ buy.
Okay, we're still holding a 1 minute. Did the 2 minute close? No, that 2 minute did not close. Wow, that 2 minute is strong. No, it's gonna hit a set break even. All right, I'm gonna log out for the day.